Dealing with knee discomfort during long drives? In this video, we'll explore 5 effective techniques to alleviate knee pain when driving. So let's delve right in. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Technique 1. Adjusting seat position. Our first technique involves adjusting your seat position to reduce pressure on your knees while driving. Ensure your seat is positioned at a comfortable distance from the pedals, allowing for a slight bend in your knees to reduce strain and pressure on the joint. Use additional cushions or lumbar support to maintain proper posture and provide adequate cushioning for your lower body, promoting better alignment and comfort throughout your drive. Technique 2. Regular leg exercises. Engage in regular leg exercises to improve circulation and alleviate stiffness during long drives. Perform simple leg stretches and rotations, ankle flexes, and knee lifts while taking breaks or during prolonged stops to promote better blood flow and reduce the likelihood of stiffness and discomfort in your knees. Incorporate these exercises into your driving routine to maintain flexibility and comfort throughout your journey. Technique 3. Use of knee supports. Utilizing knee supports can provide additional stability and comfort for your knees during extended periods of driving. Wear knee braces or compression sleeves to provide added support and reduce the strain on your knee joints, particularly if you're prone to experiencing discomfort or pain during long drives. Select knee supports with breathable materials to prevent sweat buildup and ensure optimal comfort and support throughout your journey. Technique 4. Adequate hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for reducing the risk of stiffness and discomfort in your knees while driving. Drink plenty of water throughout your journey to prevent dehydration and promote better joint lubrication, reducing the likelihood of stiffness and promoting overall comfort and flexibility. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeinated or sugary beverages, as they can contribute to dehydration and increase the risk of discomfort during long drives. Technique 5. Strategic stretching breaks. Incorporate strategic stretching breaks into your driving itinerary to alleviate knee pain and promote better circulation. Take regular breaks to stop, stretch, and walk around to reduce the pressure on your knees and prevent stiffness from setting in during extended periods of sitting. Perform simple stretching exercises targeting your lower body, such as hamstring stretches, quad stretches, and calf raises, to promote better blood flow and alleviate discomfort, ensuring a more comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.